By now, you are well versed with nouns and you know that nouns are naming words that name people, places, animals and things. Now here we can see two pictures. One picture is that of a beautiful flower and the other picture is that of many beautiful flowers. So flowers are common nouns. Flower refers to one flower in number, whereas flowers refer to several flowers or many flowers. So flower is singular and flowers is plural. So a countable noun that denotes one person, animal, thing or place is said to be in singular number. For example, computer, tax, branch. Whereas a countable noun that denotes more than one person, animal, thing or place is said to be in plural number. So, if computer is singular, computers is plural. Tax is singular and taxes is plural. Branch is singular and branches is plural. Now let us look at a few rules to transform singular nouns to plural nouns. The general rule is that we add an S. So house, book, stone, comic becomes houses, books, stones, comics respectively by adding an S after the singular noun. But nouns like eyelash, boss, watch, box, virus become eyelashes, bosses, watches, boxes, viruses. So what do we see? We see that nouns ending in double S or CH or SH or X are made plural by adding ES. But what about nouns like family, bully, activity, enemy, daisy, which are ending with a consonant and then a Y? How do we form the plurals? We form the plurals by removing the Y and adding an IES after them. So, we get families from family, bullies from bully, activities from activity, enemies from enemy, daisies from daisy. But if we have nouns which end with a vowel and then a Y, like trolley, monkey, kidney, essay, how do we form the plural? In that case, we just add an S. So, trolley becomes trolleys, monkey becomes monkeys, kidney becomes kidneys, and essay becomes essays. For nouns that end with a vowel and then an O, like video, zoo, studio, how do we form the plural? We form it by adding an S. For example, videos, zoos, studios are formed by adding an S after each of the nouns. But for nouns ending in a consonant and then an O, we form the plural by adding ES. For example, buffalo becomes buffaloes, domino becomes dominoes, echo becomes echoes, torpedo becomes torpedoes. But this rule has a few exceptions like photo, piano, avocado, which all become photos, pianos, avocados respectively, and we form the plural without the ES. We just add the S. What about nouns like shelf, life, half, which end with a F or a FE? Their plurals are formed by changing the F or the FE to VES. So, shelf, the F is changed to VES to get shelves, life changes to lives, and half changes to halves. But this also has some exceptions like safe, gulf, chief. In these cases, we just add an S to form the plural. So, safe becomes safes, gulf becomes gulfs, and chief becomes chiefs. In some cases, both forms are accepted. For example, hoof. You can write hoofs as well as hooves. Both are correct. Similarly, with dwarf, you can write dwarfs as well as dwarfs. Some nouns completely change in their plural form. For example, tooth becomes teeth, cactus becomes cacti, appendix becomes appendices, and ox becomes oxen. Now, some nouns have both singular and plural the same. For example, shrimp, sheep, moose, deer. But some nouns are always plural. For example, spectacles. Do we say spectacle? We never say spectacle. Spectacles, jeans, assets, scissors, trousers are always plural. Now let us do these exercises. Rewrite the following sentence correctly. There are many churches in Goa. Now here we have used are and many. That means we are referring to more than one. So church is not correct in this sentence. What will be the correct sentence written as? There are many churches in Goa. Mom entered the rooms and gave a kisses on the baby's cheek. Now in this sentence, we have rooms being written as plural and a kisses. When we write a, we are referring to only one number, hence kisses is not correct. And then we have written on the baby's cheek. Now, can mom enter the rooms together? No. At one time, she can enter only one room. Hence, the correct sentence will be, Mom entered the room and gave a kiss on the baby's cheek. Fill in the blank with the correct form of nouns. 1 picture, 5 pictures. We have added an S to pictures to make it plural. 1 atlas, several atlases. We have added ES to atlas to make it plural. And axe, all the refers to more than one. So all the axes. A patch, a lot of refers to more than one. So a lot of patches. 1 dash, many classes. So here classes is the plural. What is the singular of classes? Class. So 1 class, many classes. So what did we learn today? Today we have revised our concept of singular and plural nouns. We have also revised the general rules that we follow for converting or transforming singular nouns to plural nouns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.